Okay, we've moved this back a little bit because that was catching up there. We've taken some more, smooth this down in here a little more. So now we'll check it again and see where we stand. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Thanks. Okay, the spring is good. It's not touching. Also took a little bit more back to move our stick back a little bit. But the spring was hitting in the front, so that's why we moved that eye hook back. So that's looking pretty good. So now we'll stick this in here. We needed to get a little bit more back on it. I think we're in better shape now. There we go. Yeah, now it's working good. So what we'll do is we'll glue this, our dowel here, we'll glue that in and put a couple of brad nails in it to hold it so it doesn't come loose. Then we'd be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back.